been recoding the website for the past 2 days, but I've put in like 5-6 hours on it to clean the code, etc., just to publish it on Vercel. And look at the website. It looks like this on my local environment, but I didn't notice that for the past 2 days I was zoomed in. So let me just, if I get back to normal size, it's like this. And I've spent the last hour trying to look at why it didn't work. I thought it was some problem with production tailwind, and I tried to look at deep stuff while it was just that my local host was zoomed in and the domain name was not. So yeah, sometimes, bro, you just lose so much time on some stupid shit. Let's get back to it. Alright, so I just installed Posthog on Health2Notion so that I can get analytics of how much people are using the app. And yeah, right now I'm trying to create the app on the App Store. I'm using Expo with the Expo application services. I mean, it's gonna be way easier to launch updates and do all kind of stuffs. So yeah, it's gonna get real. I'm gonna push a first beta version of the app with a roadmap on the website, so that people can provide ideas and feature requests, so that I don't waste my time first of all developing features that nobody is going to use, and people will access the app as a first beta launch. Then we can update it all along. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the finishing touches, and probably we're gonna have to do, maybe in the next video, do the marketing and creating visuals, updating the website so that it has the roadmap and the link to the App Store, etc. And yeah, we're gonna launch probably the first version of Health2Notion in the next video. Then we can start the project that someone else not stole for me, but had the same idea, we're gonna say, and try to execute it better than them. And if they succeed, well, good for them, but let's hope not. Let's hope we do better. Let's go. Yeah, so this is Posthog, the tool I'm going to use for analytics. If you want more detail about this tool in particular, it's a great tool. Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to use it to do product analytics and web analytics. So we just got our first event, meaning the connection between React Native and the Posthog reverse proxy, because I'm not using the normal endpoint for Posthog. I'm using my own. It works correctly. So we got our sync event here, and if we go on events, we get page view from mobile app, and no, the application opened is from mobile app and screen. So yeah, I just had a really bad moment. I was working on Health2Notion, alright, which is what this devlog is all about. And I have a really great idea that I wanted to do for my next project. It's an idea I've had for quite a while. I even did a video on it for about 4 months ago. I think the video is still public. And I didn't really work on it that much because, as I told you before, 2024 was a really slow year for me. And I just saw someone made a very similar idea on Twitter and getting a lot of great reactions. And man, it feels so fucking bad. Yeah, I don't know how to react. I was going to sleep because I'm tired. And yeah, back at the desk. I'm gonna try to finish Health2Notion as fast as possible to be able to work on the other project as well. Yeah, feels bad. I don't even know how I can, create it now that someone else has made it, but I think I can provide better value, to be fair, and the vision that I have for this project. But yeah, the project is called Voithos, by the way. It became Vithos after, because Voithos, the domain name wasn't available, and I got the vthos.app. But yeah, we're gonna start working on it as soon as I finish this Health2Notion thing. Yeah, competition is good. That's all we're gonna say. Alright, we just finished the build. It's successful. I had some issues with the Expo versions because they released a version 2 days ago. Because they released the version 2 days ago, so it had some conflicts with what I had, like my environment React Native and all of that. So I found a version that works well. Why am I not in focus? Because there's lights here. Well, I had some issues, but now it works. So I've set up the building. In the next step, we're gonna do some visuals. We're gonna prepare the App Store forms and all of that, the privacy policy, all of that on the website. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that in this video or not. Alright, so about 2 days ago, I tried to shoot a photography vlogging session. You know, I went to Monaco to shoot some cars, and I didn't really have that much content to do a full video. So I'm gonna put a little section right here where we're gonna go to Monaco and do some street photography. I've encountered a really interesting car that I've never seen before, and you know, in Monaco you can see so many luxurious cars, but this one is quite special. That's why I wanted to do this in this video. So yeah, let's have a photography break and let's go. I want to launch it, but
entre preciosos palmares se oyen los tiernos cantares que salen de tu voz. Sabor, sabor, sabor y nada más. Tiene sabor, sabor, sabor y nada más. Cuando en La Habana me oyeron lo dulce que yo cantaba, cantores se aproximaban hasta que cantar me vieron, uno a otro se dijeron, esta nena no es de aquí, y yo, que nunca me escondo, les dije de buena gana, soy Omar Portuondo de Cayo Hueso, La Habana. Sabor, sabor y nada más. Tiene sabor, sabor, sabor y nada más. Pinté a Matanzas confusa, la cueva de Bellamar, pero me faltó pintar el nido de la lechuza. Yo pinté por donde cruza un bello ferrocarril, un machete, un fusil, una lancha marinera, y no pinté la bandera por la que yo voy a morir. Chupa la caña, nena. Chupa la caña, nena. Chupa la caña, nena.
alright, so it's the next day. It's Wednesday right now, and I'm gonna do another session of work on Health2Notion. Yesterday, or 2 days ago, we made it sure that, you know, it works with Expo application services, and now I'm gonna try to make some visuals, you know, in Figma for the launch day, the first launch, which will be a beta launch. It's not gonna be the first public launch. So all of the people who subscribe to the newsletter will get access to a preview version of the app so that I can improve upon it and, you know, just have something going. And I've heard that sometimes, you know, App Store approvals can take a while. So we're gonna try to start a new project between this and Health2Notion, which is Voithos, the one I talked about in the previous section or sequence. And yeah, let's get this going. I got a new lighting setup, which is not a new one, just put few more lights, and I think it looks cool. I mean, on the camera it looks cool, so we'll see what it gives. Let's get to work. I just noticed a little feature, or not feature, sorry, a little error I made in my code, and I fixed it, and it really sped up the process of fetching the databases to check if everything is alright, and generating the databases. Let me show you the difference, then I'm gonna show you the code that fixed this. Let's go. This is before. So when you load the app, it takes about 7 to 10 seconds. Look, it's still loading. Now, okay, now it's ready. Let's see the after. This is after. The only thing I changed is this for loop, which became a promise.all, right, where's my finger? Right here, with an array of promises, which executes all of the async functions at the same time, instead of, you know, waiting one by one, which was my first reflex when coding. But yeah, this sped up the process quite a while. So yeah. Sometimes a very small change can, you know, affect the code deeply. Even though this is not a stupid error, but you know, when I was prototyping, it's something that you write at the time, and you don't really think it's gonna affect you that much. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to Xcode, try to set up the whole display name, all the Apple things, the icon, all of that. Then we're gonna wrap up this video, and yeah, let's go do that first, then we're gonna do the outro. Alright, let me just show you. Now we have a little icon with the name. Can you see it? Yeah, focus. Alright, time to wrap up, and the glasses are back. So, we finished adding the icon and the display name on Xcode, building correctly with the Expo app services. Now, we're gonna end this devlog here, and next time, I said I'm gonna do it this time, but we're gonna do the marketing assets, which are images of the app, screenshots, promotional videos, some TikToks that I'm gonna post on my account, and yeah, taking you through the steps of publishing an app on the App Store, which is something I don't know how to do, and I think that's the fun of it, you know, to learn the process and share it with you at the same time, guys, so we can learn together, you know. So I hope you liked this video. Comment down below what you thought of it. If, you know, I try to do a multi-day vlog instead of a one-day vlog, and comment down especially what you think about the app, if you're excited to try it, and yeah, what do you think should be next? Comment down some feature ideas, anything. If you liked it, comment down below, give it a like, and until next time, ciao. I don't really like this outro, but yeah, ciao.